Hello everyone, welcome to the Go Code Snippets channel. So this is the second video in our Go and Ajax to-do app, using Go with Ajax by building a simple to-do app. So before we move into this video, I would like to mention that if you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe. And also if you like the video after watching it, please make sure you leave a thumbs up. And also I would also like to apologize for the CSS because it might not look too beautiful and all. I'm not really that good with design, so I'd like to apologize for that. So with that, let's get into the video. So for the HTML side of things, this is just basically the HTML here, just everything here from this part, from this H1 here to this div tag here. So that is basically our HTML. So what it simply is that we have an H1 tag with the to do, which is what is up here. Then this here just has to do with all the forms, the form here and the two buttons here. So this is the form, this input tag is the form, and these two tags here are the buttons in their own div tags also. So that's it. Then the next div tag is just the to do. So there's an outer to do tag, an outer div tag with a class to do's, and an inner div tag with a class to do. So this outer div tag is just what encompasses all the to do's that we'll be having from this very top here, from this place down to any amount of to do's we have. Then the inner div tag, which is of class to do, is for each particular to do or each particular task on the to do list. So for that we have an h2, which is going to hold the description, which is what is here, for example. Then we have two hyperlinks. One is done to signify when you are done with the task, and one is cancelled to remove the task from the to-do list. So that is it. So for the CSS parts, you can actually style this to your taste. I don't know, because some of you are better at CSS than me. Most of you are even apologize, because full disclosure, I'm not that good with styling and all. So the first thing here is this, which is the body tag. So I'm giving the body and the h1 and the dot to do. So this dot to do is the outer div tag that encompasses all the to dos. So I'm just setting their margin and their padding, and also a font family of sans serif if that is not available, Verdana if that's not available, or vertical. Then the background color of the body is a turquoise, which is this color here. Then the h1 tag, which is this to do here, has a margin on top of 50 pixels, which is the space from here to here. Then I'm aligning the text to the center, that is at the center of the page. And then the dot to do's, which is just the outer div tag that encompasses all the to do's, will just align all the text to center. And then each task now, which is of class to do, so we'll just do a border of 2 pixels stock with solid. I don't know why I'm putting a border, because okay, if I don't put a border, I guess the border will be black, so I want it to blend with this background. That's why I'm putting a 2 pixels stockwise and solid. Then we'll have a border radius of 10 pixels, so that is what is making the sides curved. Then the margin of 15 pixels. I won't want us to waste time on the CSS too much. I'll leave a link to the code in the description of the video, so you can check it out later and just get the full code to yourself, and you can edit it to your taste. You can add your own features and everything. So I'll leave a link to the repository for the code in the video description. So that is just how the HTML works and the CSS. That is how they work. So in the next video, we'll be looking at our script tag, which is our JavaScript, where our Ajax calls will be, and also our backend, which is basically this. So that will be it for this video. See you in the next video.